Alright, so hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set recurring tasks in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and choose the task which you want to set as recurring task. Now just click on the task and here just click on this option start to do date one. Just click on it and here click on set recurring. Alright, now you will see these options daily, weekly, monthly, yearly or days after, or you can just select custom dates. So I'm going with weekly, and here as you can see you can change the status from on status change done. So this will automatically change the task to done. Now if you want to recur it forever, it will recover for recur forever. Now if you want to keep it for like 1 to 2 times, just fill this option. As you can see, it will recur for 2 weeks. So that's it for the video. That's how you can create recurring tasks in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.